Hello, my name is Peter Molfese. I'm a staff scientist at the National Institutes of Mental Health, and I'm here to welcome you to our workshop on neuroimaging of individual differences and naturalistic stimuli. If you haven't already, head over to our website for this workshop, cmn.nimh.nih.gov/CMN Workshop 2021. There you can register for the workshop and get email updates about the workshop, the speakers, and also the online discussion forum. This workshop, which launches Monday, August 2nd, 2021, features 12 speakers, each giving a fully pre-recorded lecture. These are all available streaming on demand using NIH Videocast or YouTube. The talks range from 30 minutes to 90 minutes over a series of different topics. I'm very proud to introduce our speakers who have come together with such effort and enthusiasm to make this workshop possible. Because we're dealing with pre-recorded lectures, we wanted to find a way to have rich online discussion. So we created a message board forum at cmn-meetings.nimh.nih.gov, which allows attendees to ask questions of the speakers and of each other. The top questions will be answered and discussed at 2 different roundtables in September, which gives you roughly 1 month from the beginning of this workshop until the roundtable to get your questions in. The roundtables are currently scheduled for September 1st and September 8th, 2021, and they feature 2 somewhat overlapping subsets of speakers who are going to come back for 90 minutes each. The topics that will be discussed are the strengths and weaknesses of naturalistic stimuli and individual differences research, future of naturalistic stimuli, and the top questions from online discussion forum. You can watch the streaming videos on videocast.nih.gov using this link, or if you're registered on the website, through the link that will be emailed to you. The backup streams are available on the NIMH.gov YouTube channel. If you have any questions, check out our website or email me at peter.molfese@nih.gov. Thank you.